and how's it going, YouTube? And welcome back to First Timers. Today, I'm going to be doing an unpackaging of a gaming accessory, or actually, is it a phone accessory? That's actually, I'll let you guys figure that one out in the comments below. But pretty much, I am hooking this guy up to this controller, which will hold my phone. Now, I know a lot of other YouTubers have actually probably done this and talked about it, but I'm going to actually be putting this guy to the real test when I get my new phone next week, which will be a gaming phone. And I want to hook it up and test it out with some of Microsoft's new stuff that they have out. And I am just really intrigued to see what it's going to do and how it's going to perform. Now, I'm very stoked to see and feel how good this guy was. It got pretty decent ratings for my particular phone. I don't expect it to be anything, crazy or different. But obviously being able to add a controller support to it versus having something on the side and making your phone a little wider kind of makes it feel like a Switch. I do like the controller feels a little more. But overall, like I said, this guy will probably hold the phone just where I need it to be. I'll probably have a couple little issues just because I do have a little pop socket on there. So we'll actually jump into it and have you guys take a look and see what you guys think.
All right, so here's the bag that the little phone holder came in. I guess controller to phone holder. Now, it did come with 3 items inside the actual bag here. 2 of the items are kind of like little joystick covers, and they just go over the left and right joystick. I guess if they start to wear down, it kind of adds a little more protection. I'm not going to worry about those because my controllers are pretty unabused, so I'm not too worried. Now, the little particular phone holder that I have here actually feels pretty good. It's not like 100% where it's like, wow, this is the Cadillac of game phone holders, but for the price, I couldn't go wrong. It actually slides on and clips on pretty easy as well. So as you're seeing that I'm moving it on, it just kind of just flipped around and held right in. Now it does kind of flip out of the way, so you can kind of still put it inside of a bag if you're going to put it in a bag. And you do have the ability to charge the controller as well because it has an opening there. Now, as I'm trying to put my phone in there, I did have a pop socket on there, so I did move it to the side to kind of see how it was going to feel or look, and it did not look sexy whatsoever, so that pop socket has to go. And so let's pull that off here, just because it just didn't look good. Now, once the pop socket came off, the phone was actually able to slide right in pretty easy. Now, the phone is still sitting off to the left a little bit just because of the power button location. And so I just don't want the power button to be pressed while I'm trying to game or anything like that. But other than that, it actually felt really good. Now, I did run into a problem where I was going to try to pair the phone, but the plastic actually covers the pair button for the Bluetooth on my Xbox One controller. Now, just a FYI, not all Xbox One controllers are Bluetooth capable. So just make sure that you have the correct one. Now, there's usually a model number on the underneath the battery tray, so definitely take a look there. But other than that, mine is Bluetooth capable, so I'm hitting the sync button and going into my phone's Bluetooth settings to actually set that up. Nothing too complicated, just make sure you pair it, and it'll ask you if you are sure to pair it. Once you get past that point, very, 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 very simple. Now, the particular program that we're going to be using to kind of just test the controller with the actual phone holder is a program called Parsec. Free program. If you have a PC or games that are on your PC and you want to be able to stream to it, definitely take a look at it. Very cool, very simple to set up. All you have to do is just have I believe a 5 megabit connection down and up. So if you meet those requirements, streaming your video and controller functions to your PC is very simple. Right now, I am testing it with the Wi-Fi turned off on my phone just because I don't have 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi on this Huawei phone. I only have 2.4, so technically my 4G is a little faster. But overall, nothing crazy. Now we're going to just showcase Cuphead here. just because it's there on my phone. And if you haven't seen us stream it, definitely go check out our streams as well. We usually have a couple of people streaming with us, and we play different games as we're going through it. Now, overall, the phone and the holder don't feel too bad. Right now, I am resting the controller on the desk. Like I said, there is pretty good weight after you add the phone to the controller, but it's not too bad whatsoever. So if you're chilling on your couch and you're just gaming, or you're sitting somewhere, it actually doesn't feel too bad. But overall, like I said, it's, for the price, it's definitely worth taking a look at. I've added the description below, so you can kind of go take a look at it at Amazon's website. But overall, really simple, really easy to hook up to the controller. This is designed, like I said, for Xbox One controllers, and I believe it can fit up to, I think, 7-inch phones, depending on how wide they are. But overall, go check it out, see if it fits your applications. I believe it's well worth the buy. Now, I won't keep you guys any longer than you need to. I know me losing in Cuphead isn't why you came to watch it, but overall, like I said, go double check it out. And yeah, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, guys. And we'll be back with my new phone that will be out next week. So yeah, just come back, check us out. Woo!